With the launch of our brand new Ironman elbow machine, we wanted to make a video showing off the unique features of the brand new KWM Ironman elbow machine. Today, we will run through bending an offset and an elbow. Starting with the offset. For this example, we're set up with the 2x3A die and mandrel set. Now, if you want to see all the configurations that this machine can come in, head over to kwmgutterman.com for a current list of all the die and mandrel sets we offer with the Ironman elbow machine. For the offset, start by selecting the number of bends you wish to have. For this example, we're doing 2 bends on each side. Unlock the indexing pin by pulling it out and turning it either clockwise or counterclockwise. Slide your downspout piece in and push the advancing assembly all the way against the stop, which will be however many bends you have selected with your handle. After ensuring you're all the way against the stop, lock the indexing pin by turning it back either clockwise or counterclockwise until it's lined back up with the slot. Now, to use the actual machine, pull down the crimping handle followed by the advancing handle. This crimps the piece, followed by pulling the advancing handle, which pushes the piece out to allow you to make your next crimp. Repeat this process, crimping and advancing, until you've hit the selected number of bends, in our case, 2. Now, since this is an offset we're bending, let's flip the piece over and repeat the process by unlocking the indexing pin, sliding the piece back in till we hit the stop, locking the index pin, and crimping and advancing until we've hit the number of stops on this side. To bend an elbow, it's pretty much the exact same process. Let's start by selecting number of bends, unlocking the index pin, sliding the downspout in until it hits the stop, in our case, 6 bends. Lock the indexing pin and again use your crimping handle followed by your advancing handle until you reach your number of bends you've selected. Similar to our Ironman gutter machines, we manufacture and source all of the parts for the Ironman elbow machine reliably, so you can have peace of mind. Also, it's very important to note that this machine does not require power. So if you're in a pinch and you need to bend an elbow or an offset without the trouble of running a long extension cord, the Ironman elbow machine is your tool. Check out the Ironman elbow machine and so many other great products made right here in the USA at kwmgutterman.com.